How to use Chatgpt to make money online. Full tutorial. What if I told you that the same AI tool that writes essays and answers questions can actually make you money online? Yes, I'm talking about Chatgpt, the AI that's changing how people work, create, and earn in 2025. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Chatgpt step by step to build income streams. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur. So grab a notepad, because we're diving deep into real working methods that you can start today. Before we start making money, let's understand what Chatgpt really is. Chatgpt is an AI language model by OpenAI, basically a super smart text generator. It can write, translate, code, summarize, brainstorm ideas, and even build full business plans. You don't need to be a tech expert. If you can type a sentence, you can use it. And with the right strategies, you can turn those responses into real cash. Five ways to make money using Chatgpt. One, freelancing with Chatgpt. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are full of clients who need writing, design, and marketing work. Here's how Chatgpt helps. You can use it to write blog articles, social media posts, product descriptions, and email campaigns in minutes. Tip: combine Chatgpt's drafts with your personal editing. That's how you stay unique and professional. 2. Creating and selling ebooks. Next, passive income through ebooks. Ask Chatgpt to help you write a full ebook on topics like self-improvement, fitness, or tech tips. Then publish it on Amazon, KDP, or PayHip. Prompt idea: write a 10-chapter ebook about how to stay productive while working from home. Once the book is done, add visuals with Canva, publish it, and earn every time someone buys. Three, online courses and digital products. Chatgpt can help you script and structure online courses. For example, ask it to create a course outline, lesson summaries, or scripts for teaching videos. Then sell your course on Udemy, Skillshare, or your own website. 4. YouTube automation and scripts. You can use Chatgpt to write YouTube video scripts like this one. Just give it a topic, and it will generate engaging intros, hooks, and even narration. Pair that with stock footage and AI voiceover tools, and boom, you have a channel. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Think technology, motivation, or facts videos. Five, social media management. Finally, use Chatgpt to manage social media accounts for small businesses. It can create captions, hashtags, content ideas, and even ads. Charge monthly for content packages, and you've built a steady income stream. Step-by-step example, writing with Chatgpt. Let's see it in action. Say a client wants a 1,000-word blog post about the future of artificial intelligence. Step 1. Type this prompt. Write a 1,000-word blog post about how AI will change the job market, written in an engaging, professional tone. Step 2. Review the response. Step 3. Edit for personality and add visuals. Pro tip: the better your prompts, the better your results. That's the real skill, prompt engineering. Bonus: combine Chatgpt with other tools. You can multiply your income by combining Chatgpt with other AI tools. Canva/Leonardo AI for designing thumbnails, posts, and ebook covers. 11 Labs/Play.htArrow for realistic voiceovers. Pika Labs/Runway ML Arrow for generating AI videos. Notion AI/Google Sheets for managing your business tasks. These tools make you look like a full-scale professional, even if you're working solo. Realistic tips for success. Here's the truth. Chatgpt won't make you rich overnight. But if you use it smartly and consistently, it can double your productivity and help you build real online income. Start small, learn fast, and focus on improving every day. So, which of these methods will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more tutorials on AI tools, freelancing, and online income, hit that like button and subscribe. This is AbinaTube, bringing you the best tech strategies for your digital future.